I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After highs today in the mid-40s to around 50, areas near and north of I-80 may see spotty rain and snow through the evening with low pressure tracking across the northern plains. A warm front boosting our highs tomorrow into the 60s. A cold front drops in from the northeast, bringing another big sprint in temperatures on Friday. Highs Friday mostly in the mid-30s to the low 40s. In southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas are in the mid-40s to the low 50s. The spread on Saturday even bigger, with Arctic high pressure building into the Mississippi Valley. Highs on Saturday mainly in the 30s to the low 40s. Southwest Nebraska can expect the mid-40s, but northwest Kansas warms into the mid to upper 50s. On Sunday, highs range from the 30s in most areas to the 40s over far northwest Kansas. Highs rebound into the mid-40s to the mid-50s for Monday, and widespread highs in the 50s are likely on Tuesday. Long-term forecast keeps it mild. Temperatures Monday through December 23rd likely to stay warmer than normal for Nebraska and Kansas, along with the rest of the central and western U.S. By the days just before Christmas in central Nebraska, daytime highs are usually in the upper 30s, and average overnight lows are in the mid-teens. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be below normal Monday through December 23rd. Key weather factors driving the markets include final burst of snow and Arctic air in the northern and eastern U.S. and heavy rain across Brazil. Low pressure crossing the Great Lakes reaches northern New England early tomorrow. A trailing storm generates additional snow in the northern U.S. during the mid to late portion of this week. Friday into early next week, another sharp cold snap grips areas from the northern plains into the northeast. Weekend morning lows could be colder than 20 below in parts of the north central U.S., while readings dip below zero as far south as northern Missouri and central Illinois. The southern half of the U.S. mostly dry the next 5 days. Warm air in the western U.S. spreads eastward early next week with warmer than normal temperatures for most locations. The storm track across Canada may allow for some rain across the northern U.S. A front may also draw up moisture from the Gulf the middle portion of next week. Most of the U.S., though, likely to enjoy a break from the winter weather next week. Along the Mississippi River, mostly dry weather continues to slowly drop water levels for transportation, and the trend the next few weeks is for the continuation of below normal precipitation. Central Brazil is seeing a big improvement in soil moisture from heavy rain over the last week. Rain likely to continue through the foreseeable future, a benefit for developing to reproductive soybeans in central Brazil. Southern Brazil also saw improving soil moisture with widespread rain and pockets of heavy rain yesterday. Additional heavier rain is also expected in south central Brazil Friday and Saturday, maintaining favorable to improving conditions. Argentina, though, continues with spotty rain this week and weekend before the next week turns even drier, leading to some areas getting too dry for developing corn and soybeans. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.